Ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance for your GM vehicle with ACDelco GM Original Equipment Pigtail Connectors. These connectors are specifically designed to be spliced into your vehicle's wiring harness, offering a reliable solution for repairs or replacements of original factory components. Manufactured to GMOE, original equipment, specifications, these connectors provide the same quality, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. One of the standout features of the ACDelco GM Pigtail Connectors is the protective outer coverings that enhance their durability, helping them withstand the test of time. Additionally, the color-coded wires simplify installation, making it easier for both DIY mechanics and professionals to ensure a correct and secure connection. Whether you're dealing with wiring issues, needing a replacement part for a broken connector, or performing general maintenance, these connectors will help restore your GM vehicle to its optimal condition. ACDelco is known for its commitment to quality and reliability, and these pigtail connectors are no exception. They are the GM recommended replacement parts for your vehicle's original components, offering the perfect fit, form, and function. Whether you're working on your car, truck, or SUV, this product is designed to deliver the same performance you expect from an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part. Top reviews from U.S. customers highlight its reliability and the success of using these connectors for specific repairs. For instance, one satisfied customer used this connector to replace the injector plug on a 2016 GMC Duramax 6 to fix a P0203 code. Despite initial doubts from the Amazon-confirmed fit suggestion, the connector worked perfectly, proving its compatibility and effectiveness. For hassle-free installation and a guaranteed fit, choose ACDelco GM Original Equipment Pigtail Connectors for your next repair. To purchase this high-quality replacement part and for more information, click the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on other essential GM vehicle parts and maintenance tips.